Try the other.
This one is the best.
That one is the best. Which one the best?
This is crunchy. This is more gooey. I like both, but this was tastes good. This one tastes good.
Really? But it is the same. It's the same cookie.
Texture.
Oh, the texture. Okay. You like the one is faster. Okay.
So you say Carissa really like this cookie?
Yeah.
Does she know it has oatmeal?
No, don't tell her.
Or what?
Oatmeal.
Oh.
She doesn't know. Assalamualaikum, halo semuanya. Bersama saya Nikmat Rasida hari ini bikin kue teman-teman. Karena nggak ada camilan di rumah, camilannya cuma potato chip, jadi bosen. Dan kalau beli kue kering itu juga kalau keseringan itu juga bosen, lebih suka buatan sendiri. Oke, ini aku membuat peanut butter atau kacang selai ya, selai kacang. Selai kacang yang biasanya buat makan roti itu loh. Dan ada oatnya lebih sehat, dan ini tepungnya lebih sedikit dibanding oatnya. Nah, kita simak yuk apa aja bahannya. Di sini untuk membuat kue keringnya sangat mudah. Jika teman-teman nggak ada butter, bisa gunakan margarin atau dengan mentega putih ya. Dan kalau nggak mau coklat chipnya terlalu banyak, bisa tambahkan kacang-kacangan dan resin atau kismis. Jadi mudah sekali. Dan gulanya kalau nggak punya brown sugar bisa gunakan gula pasir semua 300 gram ya. Dan jangan khawatir, ini tidak terlalu manis karena ini coklatnya udah pahit ya. Dan bahannya kita simak. 1 cup peanut butter atau 250 gram. Ini peanut butter, tahu kan, untuk makan roti itu loh. 100 gram gula palem atau brown sugar, dan 200 gram gula pasir. Kalau gula pasir aja nggak mau pakai palem sugar, bisa juga tinggal pakai 300 gram. 2 sendok teh baking powder, setengah sendok teh garam, dan 1 sendok teh baking soda. Baking soda itu pahit, jangan banyak-banyak. 3 butir telur, pastikan suhu ruang. 130 gram tepung terigu pro rendah. 200 gram oat, ini oatnya lebih banyak dari ukuran tepungnya. 250 gram butter atau margarine, silahkan pastikan suhu ruang. 500 gram coklat chip, jangan khawatir ini coklat chipnya pahit, semi sweet. Kalau kalian mau sedikit bisa tambahkan yang lain, yaitu resin dan juga kacang-kacangan. Langkah awal ini aku akan mengayak baking soda, baking powder, dan juga tepung terigu bersamaan. Cassandra, do you want help mommy?
Oh yeah. We'll be cooking today, everyone.
And
what type of cookie?
Chocolate peanut butter cookie.
Like all in the same cookie?
Yeah.
How am I gonna eat peanut butter, oatmeal, and chocolate chip in the same cookie?
Yeah, it's very good. So, do you want to save this?
Oh, of course.
Oke, ini tepungnya diayak dulu, ya, with
Oh, that sounds really good.
baking powder, baking soda masukkan ke tepung untuk diayak biar mereka bercampur rata. Dan ini,
Did I have this cookie before?
ya,
Oh.
ini butternya akan di mixer dengan gula semua sampai creamy dulu. Kalau ada vanila silahkan ditambahkan 1 sendok teh vanila.
Can't wait to do a taste test later. Sounds very good.
Yeah. Do you want to blend this?
Oh, I'm still shifting. Okay, I will do it.
Okay, just finish that first.
Yeah. Now we mix.
Ya, ini di mixer selama 3 menitan sampai creamy. Masuk, yang kering-kering masuk semua jadi satu.
Scoop the side. Get everything.
One egg. It's okay, keep going in the
I'm
low
just
speed.
Getting it off of the side.
It's fine.
Oops. Oh, that's a lot of peanut butter.
It's 1 cup.
Yeah, but still a lot.
Don't press turbo though. Slow.
What?
Don't press turbo.
Are you carrying him like he's a child?
He's my child. He's my baby. He is. Yeah.
Hello, Panther.
Yeah, Panther's with Dad. Panther, there he is. He's really not, he loves being like this in this position. On his back.
Yeah.
He loves it.
He's so long.
Yeah.
He's warm. He's like a blanket.
Look at him. Where is Kelly? Oh, Kelly, right there. Hello, Panther. You're so dark, cannot see you.
He's hard to see. Oh, there's Callie. I'm gonna have a lemon tea that I'll wait.
Where's Callie? Chocolate chips.
Oh, a lot.
Well, was I supposed to add the whole thing?
Yeah, all.
Yeah, what do you mean a lot? You asked me to pour the whole thing. Look at that.
Ya, sekarang panaskan oven. Ovennya suhu tergantung teman-teman. Kalau kalian ingin cepat, panaskan oven 180 derajat Celcius. Kalau kalian itu paling 12 menit ya. Kalau ingin crunchy, renyah, bisa panaskan 160 derajat Celcius, nanti manggangnya 30-an menit ya. Jadi beda. Jadi tergantung selera kalian. Biarkan benar-benar panas dan siapkan loyang, dikasih kertas baking.
So I'm happy. I'm only concerned.
Jadi di sini kertasnya kecil karena loyangnya terlalu besar.
Okay, we got the baking sheet.
Ya.
So we used baking sheet instead of the spray.
No need to spray. You don't need to spray it.
Flour first,
Yeah.
so it's not thick.
Yeah. Okay, you do it or mommy do
I
it?
want to do it.
Okay. You want mommy make you tea?
Yes, please.
See, that's teamwork.
Okay.
You want hot or warm?
Warm, please.
You want lemon tea in it? You want lemon too?
Yeah. Oh, that's a big scoop. Why did you decide to make oatmeal cookies today? Oatmeal chocolate chip.
Because we don't have anything in the jar.
No?
No, except the what I call chocolate potato chip.
Oh, so this is for a little snack for
Yeah.
you and me and
Everyone but me.
yeah, everyone but Dad. Because you can't have a snack.
Well, no, I can, but I choose not to because if I'm only
It's
allowed
not-
so much sugar. I'd rather have a lemon tea.
Yeah. You can have healthier things.
Yeah, I can have. Yeah, exactly. Well, I can have one, you know. I mean, the problem is one is not four. You know, one is not three. One is one. Or half of one even better.
Okay, here your lemon tea.
How's this?
Good.
Is this too close to the edge? or-
No.
Okay. Now let's move on to the second
Yeah.
one.
Akan aku panggang selama 30 ke 40 menit karena maunya yang crunchy. Jika mau cepat harus apinya
Oh,
agak
so how long is it gonna be in the oven for?
30 minutes. Because this is low heat.
What about the next one? Do we wait until it's
You can do this.
no? Do we wait until we take that one out before putting it in the oven? Or
Rasanya pas banget, tidak terlalu manis. Apalagi saat gigit coklatnya, coklatnya agak-agak pahit. Jadi oke banget. Dan ini adalah yang aku panggang 10 menit dan yang ini 30 menit. Beda. How is it? Chocolate chips. Kalau kelihatannya sih bagusan yang lama dengan suhu rendah.
They're good.
Good? You like it?
Yeah.
Langsung Karisanya ambil. Enak katanya. Enakan yang manggang lama. Ya. Jadi ini kertasnya, ini saya menggunakan kertas tisu 7 kan. Jadi kalau udah tinggal dilap aja dengan tisu. Ini udah digunakan yang 2 kali.
Cali? What is Cali?
2 kali. I said 2 times.
Two Calis.
2 times.
Dua satu pamper, dua Cali, tiga Zoro.
2 kali. Kali mean time.
No, you said kucing Cali.
It's the time. How many times? What the smell?
smell delicious.
Karis, I love it. She already grabbed some. Okay, this one is the short time, only 10-minute bake, and this one is 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay,
so
let's
which
try
one?
10-minute bake.
I'll try.
Yeah, it's broken.
I didn't think it'd be so.
I like this one. It's crunchy.
Crunchy. How is it? Is it too soft?
So gooey, I love it.
Which one? You not even try the other one. Try the other.
This one is the best.
That one is the best. Which one the best?
This is crunchy. This is more gooey. I like both, but this was tastes good. This one tastes good.
Really? But it is the same. It's the same cookie.
Texture.
Oh, the texture. Okay. You like the one is faster. Okay.
So you say Carissa really like this?
Yeah.
Does she know it has oatmeal?
No. Don't tell her.
Or what?
Oatmeal.
Oh,
She doesn't know.
good for her.
So which one you want?
I have this one.
Good.
Oh,
Doyan.
Here.
Doyan or doyan?
Julia.
Doyan?
Panther, stop it. You're not human.
Don't eat that.
oh, so yummy.
Can you take photo for?
I'm gonna be fat.
No, not. It's oat. It's oat. Can I take photo? Sit down. Oh, stand up there. Come on. One, one,
Hey,
one,
look at
two,
your
three.
son.
Hey, yeah, stop doing that. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Your son's.
Okay, stop it, Panther. Thank
What, is he
you.
your son now?
Huh?
This is her son. She loves him.
Can you shave your hair? There, little bit.
Pamper. You're my brother.
No, you're not.
He's
Yeah, you gave birth to him.
oh, big boy.
Big baby.
Look at him. He's so cute.
Are you cute?
He's like a little baby.
Are you cute, Panther? He is cute.
Big baby. Oh. What?
Hey, don't bite. Panther. Oh, I have a chicken noodle.
I'm fine.
No, I'm good. I have mine.
Yeah, put in the jar. But it's
big?
way too big. Ini coklatnya mantep banget, kayak peyek.
Leave one is there. You can eat that.
Yeah, this is mine. Oke teman-teman, thank you dan jumpa lagi di lain kesempatan. Terima kasih dan bye-bye.